Hi guys, I'm just gonna show you today how to clean up this filter for dishwashing machine. So we've got here 9 kg, 1600 spin, triple AV. There's the program there, and the filter is a bit dirty. The filter is here. It's a bit dirty. I'm gonna try to open it and clean it and show you. I'm gonna also clean this glass so that it can be nice and shiny. I'll show you. I'll use a bicarbonate of soda. I'll use this one, and I'll cut a lemon, and I'll use this power performer to clean it. After I clean the filter. So the filter is here. There's nothing wrong with the machine. It works fine. Just turn it on. There we go. It works fine. It's just quite heavy on spinning, and I see some dusty coming out with clothes. So I'm thinking it's a filter that need to be cleaned. Yeah. So I'll do that now. All I do, I'm gonna cut this one, make it there so they can sit underneath there, and then water will just drain up without me messing the floor. So I pour the towel there. So I'm gonna take this one, I'll cut it in the shape where it's gonna fit in there so that the water drain in. What I'll do is just cut it. Put in there. This. Yeah. Now. It's not really dirty, but I'll just using the I'm closing my bottle. Okay. This will really apply to all machines. And this is a drain pipe. I'll just leave it there. And then I'm going to close it. The machine will be nice and running and everything. So now, the next is to clean this glass. I'll show you. The next will be to clean this glass. I'll use the bicarbonate soda first, and the lemon, and I'll use this to finish up. I just put bicarbonate soda, yes, in the water, just tiny bit there, as much as I can, just to make it white. The lemon, I just rub it in the the filter, and I'm doing this now. I'll start here.